Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Joanna, and today it's my holiday finally. Even though there's a lot of things I have to do and have to follow up during my vacations, but yeah, I still want to just sit down and do my makeup and enjoy myself and also explore the fantasy of the colors. So today I'm going to show you guys this look that I already posted on my Instagram, and I do enjoy doing a crazy makeup look like this one, a very cool one, a very fun looking one, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So if you want to see me how to doing it, just keep watching. Alright, I have my face foundation on, my primer on, everything's on, even my brows were on. It looks really nice. But my lash extension doesn't. I need to fix that some other days. So let's just start with our eyes first. So before we do that, we need a little tape here. Oh, that's too much. But anyway, we need tape. So I'm just going to split that in the middle half, so I can do like both sides. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So I wanted to create like a double liner kind of effect. So the first one, which the sticker goes, the edges should be really way up. Be like this. Make sure you do have your eye open so you know where you have to put it. First thing, we have to prep our eyes. I'm using a primer from NYX. This is white color eye primer. It's really creamy, really easy to use. I'm gonna use my fingertips to blend and dab these things onto my skin. Okay, so we have the primer first. It's there, but not very enough. If I want to go with a pastel color on my eyes, I have to make my skin look way fairer than my normal skins are. So moving on to the Lavender Concealer Color Corrector from NYX. It could really help to make my skin look really fair. So the first color I'm choosing is the purple one, and I'm going to blend that from the outer crease to my inner crease. Color, I'm choosing the blue, I think blue in here. Quite beautiful, I got to say. I'm quite impressed by the blue color in here. It looks really amazing, really icy blue kind of vibe, and I do enjoy it a lot. Blend to the back and blend to the front. Last color. Good. I mean green. Not blue, but green. Green color in here. They actually have like two different kind of green. This is more of the grass green, and this is more of the watery kind of green, and I'm choosing this one instead of the other one because I think that matches that perfect. That matches perfect with the blue. Last step, choosing some of the white or transitional color, whatever you like, and just blend it up, crease the outline of it to kind of make the color faded to your brow and not making it a really weird too. Ta-da! So I'm going to do my other eyes off the camera and then we'll be back. So here is the final look. What do you think? Personally, I really enjoy doing it, even though it's a lot of time, a lot of things working on, but yeah, I feel pretty and amazing. Alright, so from a far distance, it's really light color, but I do enjoy this color and do enjoy this look a lot. I have to say that so far using this palette, the Icy Fantasy palette, this is so far my favorite look. That's just it. I just so enjoy every color on my lid right now. It was amazing, was perfect. Even though during makeup process, I do have some struggles with the liner because I tried to use the yellow liner, but it got really terrible, dries out and got creasing, and it was terrible. So I have to clean that little line off with my Q-tips and then redo it again, but I just managed to do that, thank God. So this is for today's look, and I hope you guys enjoy it just like I did. And if you want to see me doing more different kind of look and you want to say something to me, just leave a comment down below. Or you can just tell me that you want to see me wearing a purple liner, or you wanted to see me doing like Catrice or some other crazy thing. You can just name anything down below. If I feel like your comment is interesting to me, then yeah, I would do it someday. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you wanted to follow me, just follow me on my Instagram, on my Facebook. I do have a Twitter account, but it's still private right now to me, to my friends. I'm not ready to be opened on Twitter right now. You can also follow my channel. Just click the thumbs up and subscribe to it, and you can see every of my new video when it's coming. So see you guys next time. Bye.